I will show you how to create an account on ChatGPT. Open your internet browser. On the search bar, type ChatGPT. Open the first link. This is the website. Click on Try ChatGPT. If you want to open this site directly, then you can type www.chat.openai.com. By doing so, you will directly access this site. Welcome to ChatGPT. Click on Sign Up. Create your account. Enter your email address. Or you can continue with your Google account or continue with Microsoft account. I will click on Google account. Tell us about you. Here you have to write your name, select your birthday, month, day and year. Then click on Continue. Verify your phone number. Enter your phone number. You have two options here, send code via SMS or send code via WhatsApp. I will choose WhatsApp option. You will receive a code on your number. Enter that here. Here you go. This is a free research preview. Click on Next. Again click on Next. By clicking on New Chat, you can start asking questions. Here you will be able to see history. Click on Settings. From here you can choose Dark Mode. Get Help. By clicking Help, you can get access to all queries related to ChatGPT. By clicking on Log Out, you will log out from the account. In this way, you can create an account on ChatGPT. Now, I will show you how you can ask questions from ChatGPT. Click on New Chat. Type your question here. For example, I am typing write an essay on internet. ChatGPT started writing essay. You can stop it anytime by clicking on Stop Generating. The essay has been generated. You can rename from here. You can also delete it. Now I will ask to write an application. Click on New Chat. I will ask to write an application for sick leave. Rename from here. Now I will ask to write a motivation letter to apply in a university for PhD scholarship programs. In this way, I got motivation letter written by ChatGPT for free. There are multiple uses of ChatGPT. You can use it. It is easy and free. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.